20 rules of subject-verb agreement. Rule 1. Subjects and verbs must agree in number. For example, singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb. Cow is singular. If cow is the subject, then the singular verb eats will follow. Ducks, plural, subject quack. For example, if singular verb, then subject plus verb plus s or es. Now singular, yes, then use the verb s. No singular, no s. Rule number 2. Don't get confused by the words that come between subject and verb. For example, the detective who was called to the case is usually very good. Okay, only take care about the subject. And which one is the subject? Detective, singular. So singular verb is followed, not to take care about whatever there inside, like who was called to the case. Rule number 3. Prepositional phrases between the subject and verb usually do not affect the agreement. For example, the biker in this race is very competitive. The subject is the biker, singular subject. So the verb form singular is used. Whatever there inside, not to care about. Next example, the bikers in this race are very competitive. Look here, the subject bikers. Whatever there inside or between the subject and verb, not to care about. In this race, not to care about that. And the bikers are very competitive. Rule number 4. If a sentence starts with there or here, the subject will always be placed after the verb. For example, there is a meeting today. Here are the results from this past month. Rule number 5. Subjects can come after the verb in questions. Subjects come after the verb, like does Betty always play with dolls? Does came first, then the subject Betty. Like how are the Bosco sticks today? How are the Bosco sticks today? Now next, rule number 6. If two subjects are joined by and, they typically require a plural verb. For example, the puppy and the lady are friends. Okay, so two subjects connected by and will take plural subject. Rule number 7. If two subjects are separated by and, refer to the same thing, same idea. The verb is singular. For example, spaghetti and meatballs is my favorite pasta dish. Okay, same idea, same thing. Dish, spaghetti and meatball together made a dish, pasta dish. So singular subject form. Rule number 8. If both subjects are singular and connected by or, nor, neither nor, either or, and not only but also. The verb is singular, like Sally or Baba has stolen the scarecrow. Okay, so either Sally or Baba. So it is singular subject. Not only the guitar player but also the drummer was soaked with sweat. Okay, so not only but also, that rule follows. So singular verb form. Rule number 9. If both subjects are plural and connected by the words or, nor, neither nor, either or, and not only but also, the verb is plural. Okay, if the subjects are plural, like cookies or brownies are nice treats for your teacher. So cookies and brownies are plural, so plural form of the verb is used. Even though we have used, even though those words are there, like nor, neither, either, neither nor, not only but also, but two subjects are plural. Rule number 10. If one subject is singular and one plural and are connected by the words or, nor, neither nor, either or, not only but also, use the subject that is nearest the verb. According to the nearest subject, we will follow the verb. For example, either my sisters or my mom has sent me a present. So mom was close to the verb, so according to this subject we will follow the verb form. Okay, so singular verb form followed because of the subject my mom. Another example, not only Bob but also the Smiths want some hamburgers for supper. So in the first sentence it was singular subject my mom, and the second sentence it was Smiths plural form, so plural verb form is used. Rule number 11. Units of measurement usually use a singular verb. For example, 6 gallons. Even though 6 gallons, it will take singular subject. Okay, because of unit of measurement. That is the rule. 6 gallons of paint was used on the house. $5 is too much for a cup of coffee. $5, even $5 is plural, it is unit of measurement, so the singular subject is used. Rule number 12. Collective nouns usually take a singular subject. For example, the herd is stampeding. The class was ready for the test. Okay, the class, it is collective noun, like your army. The class was ready for the test. Rule number 13. Titles of books, movies, novels, etc. are treated as singular. Like Holes was one of my favorite books. I want to see the movie. Like Holes, even though it is the title of books, look like plural, but singular form used just because of the titles of it is a title. Rule number 14. Two infinitives separated by and take a plural subject, like to run and to read are my two favorite free time activities. Rule number 15. Gerunds alone take a singular verb. Gerunds linked by and take a plural verb, like dancing is gerund. Okay, ing form of the verb, but it is used as noun, is called gerund. So dancing is not something everyone can do as well as I can. So dancing gerund would take singular verb form. Rule number 16. If the words each, every, or no come before the subject, the verb is singular. Okay, remember the word each, every, and no. Each boy and girl has to take the test. Look, the word each is used. Okay, so a singular verb form has is used. Every frog and toad turns into a prince. So the word every is used. So the singular verb form. No paper and pen is required. So no is used before subject. So singular verb form. Dancing and singing come naturally to me. So dancing and singing, it is two different object but two different subject, like dancing different and singing two things. So we used plural form of verb. Rule number 17. Most indefinite pronouns take singular verbs, like the words used with one. Look, someone, anyone, no one, everyone. And the words used body, like somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. Like the word used is thing, something, anything, nothing, everything. Okay, so example, everybody is happy, no one has a dime, nothing was going to help. So these all words will take singular subject. Rule number 18. Both, few, many, others, and several take a singular verb. So wherever these words you find, you will use singular verb form. Like several need to finish the trees. Okay, plural verb form we follow whenever we get these one of these words. So several need to finish the race. A few have the right answer. Okay, you need to remember. Rule number 19. When the subject is all, any, more, most, none, or some, this is the only time you must look at the object of that prepositional verb to determine whether it is singular or plural. So for example, all of the chickens have laid eggs. Okay, so all of the chickens have laid eggs. So we will take plural verb form have. Some of the milk has spilled. Now some is used the singular way, so we use has. And the last rule, rule number 20, final rule to remember: only the subject affects the verb, only the subject and nothing else. Okay, so these are the rules of subject verb agreement. We need to remember and we need to practice it and bring into action in our day-to-day life to remember for long. Thank you.